Hello everybody, Truman 5000 here. Got another little video for you. This is going to be a quickie on what's in the Benchmade box. Ooh. No, I haven't won the lottery. No, I haven't been swimming off the coast of Florida and found a hoard of gold coins. And when you see what's in the box, you will wonder why it's even in a Benchmade box. Alright? So, what are you guys waiting on, huh? Alright, here we go. This is how it comes. Well, that's how mine came. Box, of course. Here's the pouch with a butterfly on it, Benchmade, of course. And like I said, we'll all wonder why it's in a Benchmade thing when Benchmade probably never made anything that looks like this. But here you go. The latest. I got this one from DHGate. D as in dog, H as in horny, gate as in gate. DHGate, the other big Chinese wholesaler. Okay. As you can see, no adjustable pivots. Okay. Can't even take this dude apart. But you know what? That eliminates problems at the pivots if your knife is nice and done right. This one is. Alright. The familiar weehawk. Alright. And not a bad balance. A little heavy, you know, she's all stainless steel. I got this one down here to give you a comparison with size of your regular 42. Now, it's not a 42, but you know, they're all the same size, as you can see. Alright. And for you Bradley guys out there, she is of course just a tad longer than your Bradley. But then again, your Bradley is a shorty anyway, right? And it weighs more than the Bradley too. It weighs in, I'd say about 6.5 to 7 ounces. Alright, let's knock out some specifications. Blade is 4 inches from the tip to the intersection with the horn down here, 4 inches. The handles from top to bottom are 5 5/16. The overall length from tip to the bottom, of course, is 9 7/16. I believe we have a dragon motif in the handles. And if you notice, the one on this side seems just a little bit lighter than this one. And then you flip it over and it corresponds. Alright. Like I said, non-adjustable pivots, and somebody's working right, because there's your flex at the pivots. There is hardly any movement, although we're not on plane. As you can see, the handles are just a bit off. But, oh well. It flips well. Alright. go, stainless all the way, relatively sharp. We of course have no idea what the blade steel is. It's even listed as 440. Hell, it might be 440. The old useful weehawk. And we have a butterfly on there. We have Benchmade, made in the U.S. I think that says 440C, doesn't it? Yeah. And like I said, guys, you know, why even put the Benchmade box and logo and involve that in something that I don't think Benchmade ever made anything that looked like this. But it's done, and ain't no way you're going to pass this off as a Benchmade. Well, guys, there you go. Like I said, I'm going to keep this one quick. We're at 6 minutes now. You have the specifications, you know what it is, you know what it looks like. I have a pretty good example. 20 bucks, of course, all the way from China. Took about 9 days. 9 days, not bad. Alright guys, there's a ballot for you. In about another 9 to 10 months, I'll have a hell of a one to show you. Alright guys, I'm going to let you go. Truman 5000 is out.